Hi friends, welcome back to the Teal Pumpkin. On today's video, I'm going to be doing a clean with me. I hope you guys will get up off your sofas as I get off mine and we go and get the kitchen cleaned, the living room cleaned, and the dining room cleaned. Let's get off the couches and get busy.
I hope I'll be your destination. The traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your destination. You said that you needed me like a cargo, you would carry me. I just hope.
Okay guys, I know I'm super late to the game. I mean, everybody and their mother probably has this O-Cedar mop and bucket by now, but I am always late to the game. So that's okay. But I wanted to tell you that this mop was a game changer for me. This is not sponsored, but I have to say, this was actually fun to mop my floors, and I hate to mop my floors. I always put it off to the very last moment, but it was pretty awesome. You should check it out.
The stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking. I said that I needed you like a late night with someone that I knew. I just hope you won't get hurt. I just hope you've been through worse. Sometimes I'm broken myself. Would you hurt me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts. Too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lighting, the one I pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call on me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this?
Okay, guys, let me know in the comments below. Are you up and cleaning with me, or are you relaxing?
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay.
Does anybody have a good recommendation for a small stick vacuum like the Dyson? It doesn't necessarily have to be a Dyson. I just don't want it to have a cord. I think my Dyson is finally died, and I'm going to be in the market for a new stick type vacuum. So let me know in the comments below. What are you guys using? What works for you?
Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the.
And just like that, everything is clean.
Just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. First you wanna come around, then you say you're leaving town. Everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, 'cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness.
Well, guys, did you get up and work? I'm tired. I don't know about you, but I've been cleaning all day and I just want to lay down and take a nap. I just want to thank you for watching my channel, and I really hope you found it useful. And if you did, I hope you will click on my channel and give me a thumbs up, and maybe you'll think about subscribing. And to all of my subscribers, thank you so much. I appreciate all of you, and have a good day. See you in the next one. Bye.